How to create Payeer account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Play Store and then search for Payeer. So this is the application. As you can see, this is not available in my device because it was made for an older version of Android. But if you can still use the application, simply install it and then you can sign in using Google account or your email. Simply follow the steps and you will be able to create a paid account in no time. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.